Unlock the rich flavors of 2024's top extra virgin olive oils with our ultimate guide. Join us as we explore the finest, cold-pressed elixirs crafted by expert farmers. From the smooth and delicate to the robust and flavorful, we've scoured the market to present the best extra virgin olive oils for your culinary journey. Elevate your dishes and savor the essence of quality in every drop. Let's get started. Number 5. Colavita Premium Selection Extra Virgin Olive Oil stands out as a pinnacle of authenticity and quality in the realm of olive oils. The first cold-pressed method ensures unparalleled excellence, capturing the true essence of freshly harvested olives. Crafted exclusively from olives in Italy, Greece, Spain, and Portugal, it embodies the rich heritage of European olive cultivation. This olive oil boasts a balanced flavor profile, marrying fruity notes with a subtle spice, creating a versatile culinary companion suitable for roasting, baking, dressings, and marinades. With NAOA and OU kosher certifications, it not only meets stringent dietary standards but also bears the North American Olive Oil Association quality seal, guaranteeing authenticity. Beyond its culinary prowess, Colavita Premium Selection Extra Virgin Olive Oil champions a healthier lifestyle, being cholesterol and carbohydrate-free. As a product of the esteemed Colavita family tradition imported directly from Italy, it upholds the legacy of genuine taste and quality. Adhering to International Olive Council standards, it undergoes rigorous testing, ensuring the purity and excellence that consumers have come to expect from Colavita. Elevate your culinary experiences with the rich and authentic flavors of Colavita Premium Selection Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Number 4. Great Value Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a kitchen essential that effortlessly elevates your culinary creations. Packaged in a convenient 101 fluid-ounce plastic bottle, this olive oil is a versatile companion for both home cooks and professional kitchens. The screw-on cap ensures freshness between uses, making it a practical choice for daily cooking. Whether you're frying up crispy delights or concocting a flavorful vinaigrette for your favorite salad, this shelf-stable oil guarantees excellent taste and texture. The naturally gluten-free formula, combined with the absence of trans fat, artificial flavors, or colors, underscores its commitment to quality. The 101 fluid ounces capacity provides ample supply for various culinary adventures, making it a cost-effective choice. The allergen-free statement further assures consumers of its suitability for a wide range of dietary needs. With a lightweight design at 6.5 pounds, the Great Value Extra Virgin Olive Oil seamlessly integrates into your kitchen routine, offering both convenience and exceptional flavor. Make your meals truly great with the reliable and versatile Great Value Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Number 3. Parana Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a true gem for culinary enthusiasts, delivering an authentic taste of Italy in a generous 3-liter package. This cold-pressed olive oil stands out for its exceptional quality and distinctive characteristics that embody the essence of the Mediterranean. Upon opening the tin, the oil presents a delightful cloudiness with a green hue, exuding a herbaceous aroma that tantalizes the senses. The initial pizzicant flavor adds a unique touch, providing a bold and memorable culinary experience. As time progresses, the oil mellows slightly, gradually becoming clearer as sediments settle at the bottom of the tin. With a net content volume of 101 fluid ounces, this olive oil ensures an ample supply for various cooking adventures. Whether drizzled over salads, used for dipping, or incorporated into your favorite recipes, Parana Extra Virgin Olive Oil brings a touch of authenticity to your kitchen. Hailing from Italy, the country renowned for its rich olive oil heritage, Parana exemplifies quality and tradition. Elevate your culinary creations with this exquisite cold-pressed olive oil and experience the flavors that make Italian cuisine truly exceptional. Number 2. Atlas Organic Cold Press Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a culinary masterpiece sourced from the prestigious Atlas Mountains of Morocco, where ideal climatic conditions yield the most perfect olives. With a net content volume of 750 milliliters, this olive oil is a product of excellence, cold-pressed to preserve its exceptional quality. The geographical advantage of the high-reaching area ensures a unique flavor profile. This Moroccan EVO by Atlas Olive Oils is not just an olive oil, it's a commitment to sustainability and ethical production. The single pressing of olives maximizes health benefits, offering a delicately complex aroma that includes notes of almonds, culinary herbs, sweet bananas, lemons, and basil. The taste is equally pleasing, promising a culinary experience that delights the palate. What sets Atlas olive oil apart is not just its premium quality, but its 100% organic nature, free from added chemicals or destructive ingredients. It's a safe choice for general cooking, baking, and desserts, offering versatility in the kitchen. The endorsement from 10 Michelin-starred restaurants attests to its unparalleled excellence, making it the preferred choice for exclusive, refined, and demanding culinary professionals worldwide. Elevate your culinary creations with Atlas Organic Cold Press Extra Virgin Olive Oil, a true embodiment of quality, taste, and sustainability. Number 1. Pompeian Extra Virgin Olive Oil, with its mild flavor and smooth texture, is a culinary masterpiece crafted by the olive oil people since 1906. In a generous 68 fluid-ounce bottle, this cold-pressed olive oil is made from first cold-pressed olives, showcasing the expertise of the family of farmers behind its creation. The smooth, delicate taste of Pompeian Extra Virgin Olive Oil makes it an ideal choice for various culinary applications. Whether you're sautéing, stir-frying, or finishing a dish with a drizzle, its versatility enhances the flavors of your meals. Certified for authenticity by the North American Olive Oil Association, you can trust in the quality and origin of this imported, first cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil. Pompeian is committed to delivering a product of the highest standards. This extra virgin olive oil is naturally gluten-free, non-allergenic, kosher, and non-GMO, verified by the Non-GMO Project. With a legacy dating back over a century, Pompeian Extra Virgin Olive Oil continues to be a staple in kitchens, providing a premium and trustworthy option for discerning chefs and home cooks alike. Elevate your culinary creations with the time-tested quality of Pompeian.